safe you then.
I started small time, small town, dope gang. Pushing rocks, got the cop cooking cocaine. Me and my killers had to hustle cause we broke, man. Had no money riding Oakland on the go thing. Staying close to the line, I'm losing my mind. Knowing I'm ahead of my time, destined to shine. But stuck with it now, I'm married to crime. And knowing that the love I had in my heart is getting harder to find.
Lay down, do anything to double the chips you hold now.
Fuck that, I knew that nigga was a bitch-ass nigga from the gate. And that nigga got to go, man. That nigga cannot testify. Yes. Yo, that nigga had bad cases, rocking two wilds like Sammy Davis. Blackers down courageous, running his mouth, roll down for days, about the pounds of paper. So much loot, we kinda were calculators. They moved this at the South Acres, yo, they about the Raiders. But I got connections.